Hello guys, we just finished the SocialErasmus Plus kickoff meeting. You might wonder, what is SocialErasmus Plus? Well, SocialErasmus Plus is a project that we're doing within the Erasmus Plus program. It has a grant in Key Action 3, which is forward-looking cooperation. So the goal of that type of project or type of grant is to upscale current projects. Now with SocialErasmus Plus, what we try to do is upscale and improve the activities that we are doing within the education cause, Erasmus in schools, within ESN. We have a lot of different partners involved. We have ESN Besançon, we have 3 universities, VUB, the University of Vigo and the University of Vienna. We have EUF, the European University Foundation, a network of universities. We have YEU, the Youth for Understanding and Youth for Exchange and Understanding, and we have an umbrella organization of high schools that are participating. So the goals of SocialErasmus Plus is to make sure that students that volunteer with SocialErasmus activities get better recognition for their volunteering experiences. On top of that, we also want to provide or develop materials that will help and empower international students going to local high schools to explain students there more about the opportunities of internationalization, but also to increase their intercultural awareness. So what we will do in the project is we will start by developing a SocialErasmus Plus framework. This framework will consist of 3 things. The first one is the competence framework that will develop a set of competences students acquire when they participate in a SocialErasmus Plus or an Erasmus in Schools event. Then secondly, these academic guidelines on why the universities should empower students to volunteer while they are on exchange. Third is more practical guidelines on how events such as this can be put into place. Once this is developed, we will do a small-scale testing phase in 3 different cities. One's in Brussels, one in Vigo, and one in Vienna in Austria. Furthermore, there will after the summer, so in September 2018, once all of this is done, there will be a first training where a lot of you can participate in. This training will be for 75% covered by the grant. So the participation fee will be very low because a lot of it is covered by the grant. You will be able to participate, and we will have an open call ready for you to be there in September 2018. After that, there will be a large-scale implementation phase where we'll try to roll out the activities all over ESN. This will be followed by the evaluation phase and a second set of trainings in February 2019, after which we will do one final set of large-scale implementation in the spring of 2019. Then after we gathered all the results over the summer 2019, we have a final conference to present all of this in October 2019. That's basically the timeline that we will have for the project.